Okay, this is a really urgent warning. If you use cryptos, when you send money to someone, you gotta make sure that you are sending it with the correct crypto. Like if you're sending money to someone who has Bitcoin Cash, you actually have to make sure, absolutely 100% sure, that you are clicking Bitcoin Cash when you are sending that before you click send. You know why? If you do it wrong, you lose all of the money from that crypto, and you will not get it back. There's no 800 number to call and get the money back. And in fact, your crypto exchange will even give you a warning telling you, hey, you got to make sure that this is the right crypto you're sending and it's the right address, because if it isn't, you're not getting the money back. What do you think about that? Isn't that kind of a crazy thing?
That is crazy. It's a little scary, and I think it's best not to send crypto.
Yeah, no, that actually is an interesting point. Maybe you should, before, instead of just sending the crypto, maybe you should just cash it out and send it in a regular bank account instead. That way, at least you know that there's a way of at least getting the money back. Or just, yeah, I mean, just because you have crypto doesn't mean you actually have to send crypto to people if, like a friend or something like that. What do you think? Isn't that true?
On another note, I think this is an interesting year because there's a lot of Gray Swan events where lots of things that people would never have expected to happen are happening. So a lot of people right now believe that Joe Biden won the presidency.
I don't think so.
But then there's a lot of court cases that the media is ignoring. So it could quickly reverse and surprise everyone, and people will be taken off guard by that. No one thought that the stock market would go down almost 40% this year either.
That's right.
It did. And no one thought that the whole world would nearly come to a collapse.
The whole world almost did come to a collapse. So many things happened this year. Crypto is going to the moon again, and that kind of means that some people are going to probably use it to actually spend it with. So it's just something to keep in mind. Make sure that you're very careful when you send money to a friend, or if you're buying something with crypto, just make sure that it's the same exact crypto and that crypto address you're sending to is actually the right one. Because if it's wrong, it's one of the fallacy problems with this crypto stuff is that you will not get the money back. So I think caution is in order. In fact, I would recommend double, triple check, and maybe even just cash out that part of the crypto and send in US dollars to a regular bank account. Maybe that's the best way. I know some crypto people were saying, that's outrageous, we should not be using fiat. Anyway, definitely smash the like button and subscribe, and we'll talk about some other cool stuff in the next video. I'll talk to you soon.